Hello, today is week 13, day 5. And you're going to practice both the main idea and details and sequence skills. As you read about something called the water cycle, stop reading after each paragraph and think about what you've read. The instructions say, remember the main ideas and the order in which they happen. And the title says Around and Around. In the water cycle, water goes around and around from one form to another. Let's read this together and think about the main ideas and the sequence that it happens. When it rains, water falls from clouds to the ground. How does the water get into the sky? It is something called the water cycle. There is always water in the air, but you can't always see it. It's called water vapor. The sun heats up the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. The water turns into water vapor. It goes into the air. Okay, so we should stop now. Think about what we read. Did we understand it? If we didn't, we can go back and reread. If we did understand, we can go on to the next paragraph. High in the sky, it is cold. When the water vapor gets cold, it becomes water again. You can see this happen when you have a cold drink on a warm day. Water is on the outside of the glass. Did the glass leak? No. Water vapor in the air turned to water when it touched the cold glass. Millions of water droplets come together in the sky. They make clouds. Pretty soon there is more water than the clouds can hold. Then the water falls to earth. Should stop. Think about, did we understand what we read? These two paragraphs, I forgot to ask you to stop here, but maybe you did that, hopefully. If you didn't understand, you can reread it. Rain falls back into the oceans, lakes, and rivers. The sun turns it into water vapor. The cycle starts all over again. Number 1 says, what is the passage mostly about? Oceans, lakes, and rivers? How clouds are made? How water keeps going in a cycle? Or how the sun makes water vapor? Well, the title should help us out a little bit with this question. What is it mostly about? Number 2, what happens when clouds cannot hold any more water? The sun dries them out, water falls to earth, water vapor goes into the air, water droplets come together. When clouds cannot hold anything more, there's soon more water than the clouds can hold. What happens next? Number 3, what happens just before clouds are formed? A, the sun shines on the ocean. B, water vapor rises into the air. C, water falls back to earth. Or D, water droplets start to come together. So it says what happens just before clouds are formed. So if you look back, if you don't remember, if you look back to where it talks about clouds forming, I see something about clouds here. You can look back and see where that is. Number 4, what do you think a cycle is? Something that keeps going around, something that has water in it, something that never happens, something that is always new. Tell in your own words, tell a partner how water from the air falls to earth.